can expect. 60s today, near 80 Tuesday, Wednesday. We do have winds that will pick up overnight tonight into your Tuesday and Wednesday with gusts up to even 40 miles an hour. Now, this may be borderline wind advisory criteria. Now, let's talk rain chances. We have a tiny little baby chance tonight. I'm not worried about it. It's 9 o'clock or so. It's just a quick little hit of sprinkles. But the bigger one is going to be Wednesday evening, so like Halloween Eve, leading into the actual day of Halloween. Then we cool down. So if you have kids that are trick-or-treating on the actual holiday of Halloween, they want to definitely make sure they have some layers. So the high temperature, yes, I did go ahead and go 80. Not only did I go 80, I went 81. So this is probably the last one. Well, I'm hoping it's the last one. But the record high, 81 in 1937. So we are borderline going to potentially tie that record. And then I went a little bit higher for the high on Wednesday, 79 degrees. The record is 78. So there are 2 days that we could tie or even break records. This is very atypical for October. Obviously, it's happened before. But the reason why I bumped up the high is because the winds are so fast, coming out of the south and west, gusting up to 40 miles an hour. That may be enough to push us over the edge of that 80-degree temperature. So this is the weather system that will be the game changer of the week. It's not here just yet. That is the Wednesday night weather system. For now, we have lots of warm air that will be in place. We have some cloud cover at the moment. Temperatures near 43 degrees. The winds are not bad right now. They're not going to be too bad today. They'll pick up, as you can see to the west, they will pick up later on this afternoon, and that will pick up about 20 to 25 miles an hour. We're currently sitting at 43. Southwesterly winds about 6 miles an hour, topping out at 66 today. That is something I have not changed in the forecast. Winds will continue to be out of the south, and then overnight they really start to pick up. We do have a quick little weather system overnight. Brings us a little bit of sprinkles. Tomorrow, very windy and downright hot. It is going to be a hot day. Then we go to Wednesday, 79. Wednesday evening, we get some showers and thunderstorms. That drops those temperatures over 20 degrees. For trick-or-treating, it'll be dry, but so much cooler. And the rest of the week is a little bit closer to average with some more rain chances possible going into the weekend. I know there's a lot going on. Let me break down the rain chances first. Here's a little baby one overnight. Like I said, this is about 8, 9 o'clock. Quick little sprinkle. The bigger story, I think, is the wind really picks up. Then the next one right there, we have a cold front associated with an area of low pressure. You're going to want to watch right here. That low, it's going to bring in some moisture right there and allow for us to see 1 to 2 inches of rain, which we desperately do need. And it will still be windy with that wind on the backside, extremely high and cooler temperatures. Nothing strong or severe. That's more further down to the south and west, but a big temperature tumble. Look at that drop, and the winds are going to follow right along with it. So it is a roller coaster week. If your kids are going to be trick-or-treating on Halloween evening, it'll be much cooler, but at least it will be dry for them, which is nice because there's nothing worse than wearing a costume and then it gets totally wet. It just ruins the whole ambiance of it. So here's your new updated 7-day. I always update the 7-day in our 6 o'clock hour with new data that I get in.
Wow.
And I went for 81.
Woo! I don't even know what those feelings are. You know what I said last week? I was